Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're diving into the best bread maker machine, the Cuisinart CBK 110P1 bread maker. This compact and automatic bread maker is perfect for creating delicious homemade bread with minimal effort. Stay with us for all the details, including features, pros, cons, and final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features. Versatile and compact design. This bread maker is designed to fit seamlessly on your countertop without taking up too much space. Despite its compact size, it boasts a full-size vertical baking cavity capable of baking loaves up to 2 pounds. Pre-programmed menu options. With 12 pre-programmed settings, you can make a variety of bread types, including gluten-free, artisan, and even jams and sauces. The machine also supports 3 crust shades: light, medium, and dark, and 3 loaf sizes: 1, 1.5, and 2 pounds. Automatic mixing, kneading, rising, and baking. This bread maker handles the entire process for you, from mixing and kneading to rising and baking. It even keeps the bread warm with a 60-minute keep warm cycle after baking is complete. User-friendly LCD display. The LCD display provides a clear view of the countdown timer, current cycle, and selected settings. It's easy to navigate, even for beginners. Viewing window and interior light. A lid with a viewing window and interior light allows you to monitor your bread as it bakes without opening the machine, ensuring consistent results. Delay start timer. The 13-hour delay start timer lets you plan ahead, so you can wake up to freshly baked bread or have it ready just in time for dinner. Audible alerts and paddle removal reminder. The machine beeps to remind you when to remove the paddle, add mix ins like nuts or dried fruits, and signals when the baking cycle is complete. Easy cleanup. The non-stick baking pan and paddle are removable, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Pros. Compact and counter-friendly. Fits easily on most countertops without sacrificing capacity. Versatility. Supports various recipes, including bread, cakes, jams, and pizza dough. Customizable options. Offers crust shade and loaf size adjustments to suit your preferences. Convenient automation. Handles all steps of bread making automatically, saving time and effort. Viewing features. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to track progress. Healthy baking. Encourages the use of whole grains and nutrient-rich ingredients. Delay timer. Perfect for scheduling fresh bread at any time. Cons. Vertical loaf shape. The vertical bread pan produces loaves that may not be the traditional horizontal shape some prefer. Limited capacity for large families. While sufficient for most households, it might not be ideal for larger families needing bigger loaves. Audible alerts volume. The beep tones might be too loud for some users, especially during late-night baking. Paddle imprint. Like many bread makers, the paddle can leave a small hole in the bottom of the loaf if not removed in time. Final thoughts. The Cuisinart CBK 110P1 bread maker is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. Its compact design, versatile menu options, and user-friendly features make it perfect for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Whether you're baking bread for breakfast, preparing pizza dough for dinner, or experimenting with gluten-free recipes, this bread maker has you covered. While it does have a few minor drawbacks, such as the vertical loaf shape and paddle imprint, these are easily outweighed by its convenience, performance, and versatility. For those who love homemade bread without the hassle, the Cuisinart CBK 110P1 is a fantastic investment. Check the price using the link in the description below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Product for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.